Welcome to Occam's Razor, gardening, cooking, and canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and a follow. Well, we have been having some rain. We're going to be having some rain on and off all day. There's been a bit of lightning. And it's like the first rainstorm since June. And even in June, we didn't really have a real one. This will be the last of the berries. So it's quite cloudy. Birds probably think it's still night. You can hear the crickets. Well, our pepper plant, weird little pepper plant, gave me one pepper. Ah, I see our weird looking tomatoes have finally started to redden. And these peppers have gone red. Good. The other tomato plant is still tomatoing. And oh, I think this is what happens when a pepper gets too old, eh? Yep. I just can't eat them fast enough. Well, I don't eat them. I cans them. Yeah. Yes, well, let's get past these peppers here. Everything is soaked from the rain. Very nice. Ooh, turkey flowers. Let's get past the zucchinis. Okay. Well, perky tops now. I mean, I water these all the time, but yeah, you can tell by those other leaves are all starting to turn. I'm not going to be able to wait to harvest as I go. It's going to be time to harvest. Not today. It's going to rain all bloody day. On and off. Okay, I had some beans yesterday. Did I miss these? No, that's a new growth. Almost seem trapped together there. Oh yes, nice big helping of beans. Fried up in garlic. With some carrots and olive oil. And a little soy sauce at the end to simmer it. Very tasty. Okay. Well, we have been getting caught with zucchinis growing. Now, I did go around and have a really good look yesterday. And this is the only other zucchini. It's ready for harvest this morning. I thought it might get more shape instead of this dent in the middle. But you know what? We'll wait. We'll wait until a little later in the day. It's about right, but it doesn't have much bulk in the middle. Almost grew like a gourd. And really, why are you closing up? Probably from yesterday. Any bugs in there? Probably. Anyway. Don't want to get caught with my zucchini pants down. Well, I see those big beautiful leaves are come to the end. It is what it is. Our zucchini plants keeps growing. keeps producing fruit. We'll see how these plants look after today's rain. Even after the rain this morning, which is only about 20 minutes worth, it really perked the plants up. Yeah. All right. Well, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. It's a gourd. Okay. Oh, zucchini. There we go. Knew there would be more. And this massive vine trail here. What's that growing in there? No fruit, just vine. Okay. And you, come on. Oh, this is, that could be one right there, but that's a squash, not a zucchini. All right, well, like I said earlier, let's go in the front and have a look at Butch. See how the rain did up there. Well, our sunflower is quite tall. Our pumpkin plant doing fine. Here's old Butch. Now, do we have zucchini to harvest this morning? There was one growing yesterday. Oh, there you are, little fella. You know what? We'll wait till supper. We'll pick your weight off, slice you in half, and cook you up. No, this does not fit. See the leaves are floppy down here? Even after all this rain, even after the regular watering yesterday, and our other sunflower, doing perfect. Our morning glories. God, it's out of this world. Look at this bush. Doesn't flower so well in the rain. It's doing okay. And it's still following the rope rather well. Good. Okay, well, if you hung out till the end, really appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye. Holy